Hello, Miss Asi. Thank you for the opportunity and for the assignment that I've had the opportunity to practice speaking English and how to upload a video to YouTube. I hope you are in good health. I make this video to fulfill my first personal assignment. In this video, I will convey a statement that I've made before. Let me introduce myself. My name is Afif Cahya Andika. People usually call me Afif. I'm 20 years old. I was born in Sleman on 5 June 2002. Now I live in West Denpasar, Bali, and work at one of the telecommunication company in Indonesia as network operation center engineer. And I'm from major informatics system GmbH class. And for the restatement, I will choose track 31 and track 53. And the important point of track 31 is about historical fiction, especially an American historical fiction. And the important point from the track 53, the difference between introduction to biologize and biologize one-on-one. First, I will talk about track 31. The dialogue is about historical fiction, especially American historical fiction. This historical fiction tries to describe an event that occurs within a certain time or can add or change the storyline, and certainly not as a whole. Sometimes the characters used are fictional characters, and sometimes the main character will appear to support and improve the storyline. And one of example is this book is a Little Big World, which was written based on the story of Laura Childhood. This book only convey a few things that could really be said, and the readers eliminating parts that cannot be conveyed to the reader. And the reader's making of this book is quite interesting because Laura makes a story that is developed and it's not heartbreaking as the story in the real world. The storyline is packaged in an interesting way and has been adapted for children readers. Make this book readable by all walks of life. It's all of track 31. And now I'm gonna talk about track 53. The student was so confused to decide a course that will he take. There are introduction to biologize and the other one is biologize one-on-one. And both of them look same, introduction to biologize. When in fact, the two are different because introduction to biologize explain the overview of biological material in a more general way. While one-on-one biologize is more detailed and material scientist. Broadly speaking, introduction to biologize is one-on-one of lecture class and biologize one-on-one includes a lab and lecture class, sorry. This means that introduction to biology student read about science and biology one-on-one student takes part in experiment. And then the introduction to biology only contains 3 subject units and biology one-on-one contains 4 subjects unit. One-on-one biology is intended for science vocational and general introduction to biology. I think it's enough. I'm sorry, my English language so bad. And I hope with this course I can be better. Thank you.